Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking fried lobster tails with cheddar lobster biscuits.
Headphones like that, you know what the fuck me into.
Now let's get started. We're going to first start off by deshelling our lobster tails.
Straight.
Right,
Yeah. Keep it locked. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
And then we're going to season our lobster tail with garlic salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Old Bay seasoning.
Come on. Yeah.
Into a bowl, we're going to add in our cornmeal and flour. Then we're going to season it with onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and garlic salt. We're going to mix our cornmeal mixture well.
Right. Cash.
We're going to coat our lobster tails with our cornmeal mixture, and then we're going to drop it into our hot grease. Now our lobster tails are all done. Sorry guys, I didn't get a good angle at the lobster tails coming out. Now I have two lobster tails. I'm going to crack them open and then I'm going to pull the lobster meat out. And then I'm going to melt some butter with some minced garlic for about 30 to 40 seconds in the microwave. And then I'm going to add in some chopped parsley. And we're going to pour that over our lobster tails. And then we're going to add that into our boiler for about 10 minutes on low. Now that our lobster tails are all done, we're going to chop them up. On to making our waffle mix. We're going to be using the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix. If you need to add more water to your mixture, that is fine. On to making our waffles. You can use the non-stick spray or you can use butter, whichever one you like. We're going to add in our mixture and then we're going to add in those chunks of lobster and then we're going to top it off with some cheddar cheese.
Well, niggas can't.
Big 10 for work.
Straight.
Now we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.
Right.
So